How to fix promotion cannot be redeemed and Shopee. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is, of course, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of Shopee. Just head straight into Google App Store and then just simply update it. Open up the app and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, if you head straight into the Me tab at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see options like vouchers under My Wallet. Before using a specific promotion, discounts, or voucher codes, you also need to make sure that you specify and you applied the whole requirements needed for you to be able to use a certain voucher. For example, this one right here says shipping discount up to 80 off. So it has actually a specific minimum spending amount of 600 before you can get that promotion off. So there's only two things where your actual promotion or discount is not working or you're receiving an error message. Main reason is because you might haven't reached the minimum required payment so that you can reach out and use that specific voucher. So the important key to do so to fixing that is make sure that you fully understand the specific requirements for you to be able to use the voucher. And that is how you fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee.